Hey guys, welcome back to my happy place impressive. In today's video I'm going to show you how I curated, how I crafted this beautiful pink look. Clearly I did not have any sort of idea before creating this look, but I ended up looking like this, which I feel is pretty good. So this is going to be get ready with impressive. Without any further ado, let's just dive right into this video. So for now, firstly I'm gonna do my skincare. Because I am running late, I have to be fast. So here's my mirror, which is quite clean. So firstly, for skincare, here I am using Revitalift hyaluronic acid for immense hydration, because you guys are quite aware by my third YouTube video that yes, I come from a very Sahara desert dry skin, and this makes me feel hydrated throughout the event. Now I'm gonna take Pond's Super Light Fresh Gel in non-sticky variant. Now this is something I have seen in one of my viral video, that after doing your skincare, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, what you have to do is you have to take your makeup fixer. Here I am using Faces Canada makeup fixer. Now that I have locked my skincare with the makeup fixer and I am feeling really good about it, here's the first step of makeup comes, and that is applying primer. Now talking about the primer, I'm gonna first prime up my eyes with this Beauty Pearl primer. What I'm gonna do is first, before doing my base, I'm gonna prepare my eyes. So for the flawless base, here I have got a lot of pigmentation. I'm gonna even it out using this Stars concealer in the shade L. I'm gonna double conceal my under eye area. For eyeshadow purpose, I'm gonna use Nicka K Autumn Spice palette. So I'm gonna use couple of shades because today I'm gonna create a simple yet bold eye look with a very light and gentle hand. Firstly, I'm gonna pick this shade, this darkest brown shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna firstly place it on the outer V, pushing it outwards in order to give some sort of a like outer winged effect. I'll try to give that. Let's see how it turns out. Mixed with this red copper shade, just dabbing onto my outer V. I hope my camera is catching it vividly, because here it looks phenomenal right now. And just this I'm gonna do on my other eye, and at the end I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer over here, over this area. Don't mind it right now. After doing my base, this is gonna merge in all and this will look phenomenal. And for the second eye, I'm gonna do the same. Just with that, my both eyes are done. Taking this lightest shade from the Autumn Spice palette, apply it from inner corner to the mid of my eyelid, so that when I apply my like shimmer shade, it will pop out. For the shimmer shade, I'll be using this Malibu Glitz palette. Using this tapered brush, I'm gonna take this highlighter. By the way, this palette was gifted by my Masi and I really love its quality. To line it up a little bit, and for that I am using Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Now here, yes, I have done my eyes and I have put on eyeliner. I have to do my base right now. So here I will be using Forever 52 Pro Artist Foundation in the shade Cheesecake, and using the same concealer. Look how instantly it is giving a lot of coverage to my face, and suddenly my eyeshadow started looking more nice. I forgot to apply primer before concealer, so I put on concealer, Stars concealer, and then I topped it up with primer. I hope does not ruin my makeup, and I can clearly see that it's doing pretty well. Yeah. Even it made my face look more dewier on side without applying any sort of highlighter, but never mind. I'm gonna definitely add shimmer to my foundation, that is Lakme Lumi Cream. Here I am taking a lip and cheek tint. For bronzer I am using Hoola Benefit, so I'm gonna take generous amount of that. I am really satisfied with my makeup look. Yeah, I am now done with my makeup, my full face of makeup. I'm gonna, like, I have to apply lip balm. I have changed my outfit, and this is cotton dress, so I have decided to go for a little bold pink color, and for that I have chosen this color bar shade. I'll mention over the screen because I'm not really aware about. No, here I got the shade. This is Power Kiss vegan matte lipstick in the shade Catsuit, and yes, this my sister got in her PR. Under this lip shade I am going for Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Pink Crush 10. So I'm gonna line it up a little bit. Before that I'm gonna warm the shade of lip liner. I'm done with my lip liner, and I'm gonna top it up with this color bar Catsuit liquid lip liner. I have to be really conscious while applying this one. Now for accessories, I'm done with my mascara. For accessories, I have got these diamond studded dangler earrings, and these are really very good. Let me wear in front. Let me try this one because the outfit is very simple. Now I am ready. I have to end this shoot right now. So if you like my video, then please give a big fat thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, and all the lovey-dovey family and friends who are watching me, please share this with your friends and family further, and also do leave a comment. If you mention your name, that would be really great to refer that who has commented or not. Till then, take care and bye bye.